Many people suffer from vision problems, ranging from minor issues like dry eyes to more severe conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. While a balanced diet is essential for maintaining eye health, one vitamin stands out for its ability to prevent and even help treat certain eye conditions: vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision because it plays a key role in the production of rhodopsin, a protein in the eye that allows us to see in low light conditions. Without adequate vitamin A, individuals may develop night blindness, a condition where the eyes struggle to adjust to darkness. In severe cases, prolonged deficiency can lead to complete blindness. Beyond improving night vision, vitamin A helps maintain the health of the cornea, the transparent outer layer of the eye. It prevents dry eye syndrome by promoting tear production, ensuring that the eyes remain moist and comfortable. A deficiency in vitamin A can result in a condition called xerophthalmia, which causes dryness, corneal ulcers, and ultimately vision loss if left untreated. Vitamin A also acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. This condition affects the retina and is one of the leading causes of vision impairment in older adults. By neutralizing free radicals that damage eye tissues, vitamin A helps protect against AMD and cataracts. To ensure proper intake of vitamin A, consuming foods rich in this essential nutrient is recommended. Natural sources include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, liver, and dairy products. Beta-carotene, found in colorful fruits and vegetables, is converted by the body into vitamin A, further supporting eye health. Additionally, vitamin A supplements are widely available and can be an effective option for those who struggle to meet their daily requirements through diet alone. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking supplements, as excessive intake of vitamin A can be harmful. Incorporating sufficient vitamin A into the diet can prevent and even reverse some eye problems, making it one of the most vital nutrients for maintaining clear vision. Consistent intake of this essential vitamin not only protects eye health but also contributes to overall well-being.